Welcome to Clever Chess Trading. It's been a while, but I'm back to show you the power of these algorithms. Today, I'm going to show you in a short video a simple way to get in sync with the market when we are trading in consolidated environments using the free version of the Rock Algo that I have gifted to the community. So over here we got 6 time frames, as you can see. For me, these are the most relevant for the daily and weekly delivery. I call this the Rock Army. As you know, this algo is designed to tell me if we are bullish or bearish in the time frame we are putting it. So in consolidated environments, you will think that this doesn't work. You can see a lot of buy and set signals. If you look them with no context, it's not going to work. But in this video, I'm going to tell you how to know which one will work. I will tell you the secret in this very short video. So how do you know which signal will work? I will tell you in this very short video. As you can see here, we got the 6-hour time frame. We're going to analyze the context because, as I told you, the only way to know if, for example, this service work for a long time is if we got the right context. The context is set by, we have here yearly open. As soon as the yearly opens, it goes up, then lower to get this liquidity. Price then start going higher for this previous week's highs. You can see this box is a previous week, and over here we got also a week. So now we start a new week around here, 5 of January. Price goes straight up, higher to reach this previous week high. So as we reach that, you see it's immediately stamps lower, breaking out this, and this is where the right signal should get in when we get buy side liquidity followed by a market strategy over here. Is a valid sell signal, but what happened here? Why it just don't displace? Is because we are already in a previous week low. As you can see, we take this previous week high and then we revert to this previous week low. So price doesn't need to go to this other previous week because it have already reached a previous week low over here. So price consolidates and it start again the same previous week low to a previous week high. So that's why it doesn't take the high here. I have to do it in the next week over here. So next week, same thing. We take previous week high, followed by a market strategy of the more recent swing low, and we wait for the signal over here. We know it's going to deliver lower prices in this day, 14th of January at 12. Okay, we're going to zoom into this portion. So is the key. Why? Because the previous week low is over here. Is the right signal because previous week low is far away. So we reach it here, but we could participate in this move. How? Let's see the other time frames. As you can see here, we got the signal, same thing, but we got the signal probably a little bit earlier. No, we have to get in sync all the different time frames, at least 3 of them. For example, let's look at the first 3. Over here we have the same price, but looking in a different time frame. You can see this X is the relevant previous week high. We create this low that forms with a effigy on the left. This is very important, and once we break that, this indicates a market strategy. So in this moment, once we take this low, doesn't need to take it with the body, just to trade below this low, most recent short-term low. That's when we look for the sell signal. So basically the sell signals are going to be this one and this one form around Tuesday 13 at 12 p.m. So over here we already know it's a possible sell, but if we want to be more sure, we wait for example in the 2-hour the signal. This one is made on Tuesday 13 around 12, the same time, but it's confirmed around the 2 p.m. So when this is going higher around here, we know already this is the time distortion. All this time is meant for what? For us to get in the trade, trading lower. Notice this yellow lamp is the midnight open. So ideally we want to accumulate above that price. So basically it goes boom directly into previous week low. Even if, for example, the 4-hour, let's say we want to wait to be very sure in the 4-hour time frame, it's the same thing where the signals came around 10 and this candle close at 2 p.m. the same time I tell you here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4 sell signals after taking buy side liquidity. This is the key. This is when you look for the sell signals. Over here they are a little bit delayed because it's the 5-hour time frame and the 6-hour time frame. So over here we get the signal here very late because it has already delivered to the previous week low, so we don't take that into account. And over here we get the signal around 12 a.m. but the candle closes at 6 a.m. on the next day. So here we also got a good opportunity to get in. So basically this is that I wanted to show you guys. Hope you understand. That's the reason why price open up with this huge gap. So that's all. If you like this video or find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really support the channel. Right before ending the video, I just wanted to show you the pro version of the Rook. As you can see, here is it. It took a trade around here. Remember, we took buy side liquidity of previous week high, then revert to the short term swing low. This started validation for the right side signals and avoid the buy signals. So every arrow over here could be a potential entry. This pro version is very beneficial if you want to automate this, because it lets you set the desired risk parameter and risk reward, in this case 6 risk reward. But you can also, if you understand the market, can position trade the right weight. In this case this was a potential trade. You can see the signal when we close, we get in. I'm going to zoom out over here, and the stop about this SVG that breaks below this consolidation is breaking wake up, so price should not trade there. We got lower into the previous daily low and then the previous week low. That's it. This pro version also have SVGs and consolidation zones highlighted gray. It's a very great upgrade if you want to maximize your trading, and I'm going to make some very good updates this year, so make sure to follow and subscribe to the channel.